Mr. Chua has lined up 6 coins right at the edge of the table. Using the ruler, he sweeps them off the table. Question: which coin do you think will land first? Should I review the answer now? Let's go! Does it look like all of them landed at the same time? Let's watch it in slow motion. In even slower motion. Does it look like those 6 coins are always at the same height? In slow motion and zoomed in. It looks like all of them have the same exact vertical motion. And landed at the same time. But do you know why?